am Sucia Priyabasli. Here I will make a presentation about where I work. I work at BRA Bank, which is located in Purwokerto, Central Java. BRA Bank is one of the major banks owned by the central government of the Republic of Indonesia, which is engaged in financial services. BRI is arguably the oldest bank because it was established before Indonesia independence. To be precise, in 1895, BRI Bank started with the Dutch name, or in Indonesian, Bank of Assistance and Saving, owned by the Priai Purwokerto. That is the name of the BRI Bank, which was founded during the Dutch East in this colonial period Indonesia. Therefore, its name used the Dutch language. This bank is a financial institution whose function is to serve the Indonesian people or indigenous people. Officially, this institution was established on December 16, 1895, which has been used the birthday of BRI Bank until now. The product that BRI Bank offers are saving, deposit, loans, BRI in banking, credit card, priority services, and international BRI product. BRI Bank has about 60,000 employees. My position is as the finance directorate responsible for the running of the company in the field of finance, technology and information, as well as banking risk management, and is in charge of leading and ensuring the achievement of the company goals based on the aims and objectives, vision and mission, as well as the company's long-term plan. And it has a mission which is to be able to carry out all types of best banking activity by prioritizing service provided to micro, medium and small enterprises in order to improve the community economy. BRI Bank will always provide excellent service to each of its customers through the extensive BRI network and supported by professional human resources and reliable technology, implementing risk management and good GCG, good corporate governance practices. And BRI Bank will provide optimal benefit to the practice concerned. Our target for the next years is to carry out a transformation, and next year the transformation will be on the track. Of course, the hope is not only to become the largest bank in Indonesia, but I live in Southeast Asia. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye.